Lately, we're seeing insurance companies non-renew home insurance policies for too many claims. So the question is, how many claims are too many? Hey everyone, Tia at Trailstone, and today we'll try to shed some light on how many home insurance claims are too many and why does the insurance company care about my claims history? We have seen a large increase of home insurance policies being non-renewed for insurance claims in 2023, and we hear from insurance companies the trend will increase in 2024. Brian from Littleton asked, "Why was my home insurance canceled? I had 2 claims in 3 years and both weren't my fault." Well, Brian, we feel your pain. The insurance markets have changed substantially in 2023, and insurance companies have reported they're losing money due to claims, especially weather-related home claims. I did a video on increased weather-related claims in the last 4 years. Check it out. So the insurance companies are non-renewing clients that do not fit their underwriting model. The insurance company is doing this with the hopes their bottom line will improve because they're eliminating bad risks from their portfolio. Wait, what, you ask? I had 2 hail claims in the last 3 years, and now the insurance company is going to kick me to the curb? Yep. As long as they notify you properly, they can non-renew your policy. But why would the Department of Insurance allow this? Well, homeowners with multiple claims, also known as high claim frequency, are generally viewed as riskier to insure because the insurance company's data shows high claim frequency predicts more future claims than people without claims. It doesn't seem fair to me. What do you think? Post your non-renewal story in the comments so we can see. All right, so how many homeowners claims are too many? I need to speak generally here as the insurance markets are changing and not for the better right now. So here are some scenarios to look at. First, if you haven't filed more than 1 non-catastrophic loss claim in 3 years and have no liability losses in 3 years, you might be okay. Another scenario, you've filed 2 claims in 5 years. This will probably just drive up the cost of your coverage, but more than 2 claims in a 5-year period, it might be difficult to find coverage at all or be at risk for being non-renewed. A third scenario, you filed a claim this year and there was no claim payment because there was no damage on your roof, but the year previous you had a theft claim for a large amount. Yes, we've seen this scenario cause a non-renewal. Also, before moving on, the type of claim you file and how much may also affect your non-renewal. Check out my video on the claims insurance companies hate the most. Unfortunately, as we enter 2024, there are other mitigating factors on top of the claims that have caused more non-renewals, and we've started to see people lose their insurance with only 1 claim. Here's a short list of issues compounding the non-renewals. First is fire risk, or where is your home located? Fire maps are being updated every month, and if you're in high risk area or have not done fire mitigation in a moderate risk area, you have a higher chance of being non-renewed. Number 2, your credit-based insurance score. This isn't your FICO credit score, but it's similar. Make sure to keep your score as high as possible. I did a video on this one too, so check it out. And 3, a failed aerial inspection of your roof by drone or low-flying aircraft. Number 4, insurance companies reducing exposure in specific zip codes or states. Yep, that's right. You may not have had a high claim frequency, but you're still being non-renewed. Guys, I know this doesn't seem fair, and we may see the non-renewal issue get worse in 2024 as the insurance industry is working through a number of issues, but we'll help you get through it the best we can. We have many options to help you stay insured properly. So what do you do if you're being non-renewed or canceled? Well, if your policy is non-renewed because of a failed inspection, make the recommended updates as soon as possible to maintain coverage, even if you're in a high-risk area. This is generally the best option if the company is willing to work with you. If your non-renewal does not have a reinspection option, you need to act fast. Call us here at Trailstone. We'll give you advice and guide you through the process of finding new insurance. Remember, Trailstone works with more than 40 insurance companies, so we'll find you the best insurance, but we'll need time to find you the coverage. Generally, you'll have 30 to 60 days from the time you're notified of the non-renewal and the policy termination date. If you have multiple claims or mitigating issues, it may take a few days to even weeks to find you a new policy. So again, do not wait. Reach out to us now. Have any other questions, or you feel you don't have the best pricing for your home and auto insurance? We would be happy to help. Click the link below to get your quote. Talk soon.